Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Claude Code to create viral TikTok videos that will generate you sales afterwards. So here is a tool that I built using Claude Code, and here's what it does. It is scraping our competitors, their viral videos. As you can see, more than 20 million views, here more than 10 million views, and here we have even a bit more niche videos with more than 100,000 views. And the system is analyzing what is the hook of the video, how they make retention better, and then it's creating new concepts tailored specifically for us, so we can repeat those ideas, and our chances of going viral and generating sales will be 10x compared to randomly coming up with ideas or asking ChatGPT, hey, what should I film? So this video will have 3 parts. First of all, I'll show you how this tool looks like inside, what is the quality of the outputs, how we track different competitor creators. Then I'll show you how to set it up in less than 10 minutes, even if you're completely non-technical. Even though this tool was built using Claude Code, don't worry, it is very simple. Even if you have zero experience with it, I'll show you how to set it all up. Finally, we will talk about how to get even better results, how to make this content strategy on TikTok work even smarter, how to make it more tailored to your specific case. But before we dive in, if you are new here, my name is Oleg and I've been building AI systems for more than 5 years now, and currently I'm focused on AI systems for marketing. I'm running my own AI company, which is called Authority AI, and we're 90% automated inside. So I'm actually using all of these systems for my business. And now let's dive in. So the first part is to check out how it looks like inside. So as you can see, we have the main 4 parts on the left side. Let's go to the Creators tab. Here we're basically curating a database of our competitors. In our case, I decided to make as an example collection of creators in the beauty and lifestyle niche. As you can see, we have 6 profiles. All of them are big creators with at least 1 million followers on TikTok. If I open this one up, as you can see, we can check out the original profile that we're scraping, all of these viral videos in the same style. So if you want to add a new creator, let's just go on TikTok and search for someone. Let's say Kendall Jenner. We're searching for this creator. Okay, we're just finding her URL, which is this one. Then username, we can press add creator, add username. Let's say that the niche is the same. And now this profile is getting scraped and it is getting added to the database. And bam, as you can see, it is added right here. We can see amount of followers, amount of popular videos and all that stuff. And now once we're doing the runs to pull up the most viral videos, this profile will be used as well. And here we have the configs tab. Here we're basically telling the system who we are, what is our brand about, what is kind of topics, content pillars that we want to be reflecting in our content. So if you press new config, here we will give it a name, then we will select the category of creators that we want to use, in this case beauty and lifestyle, but you can be tracking multiple categories. So even if you're like a marketing agency, you can use the system very conveniently for different clients that you have, and then you can explain how to analyze videos. For instance, in this case, I told it to analyze the hook, analyze the retention mechanism, analyze what is the call to action at the end of the video, if any, and then finally we're describing how we want new concepts to be created. So it can be a, let's say, script for the video, maybe also explanation of what the B-roll should look like. You can basically tell it in a very flexible format what you want the output to be. In my case, I asked for 3 different scripts. So I have 3 different concepts based on one idea, and I can choose the one that I like the best, and this is what I will then use in my production process, right? So this is the config that was created. It's called Bella Glow, some random name of the beauty lifestyle influencer, let's say it like that. And then you basically go to the run pipeline, and then here we have different settings to run the pipeline, to run this analytical job. And as you can see, we're selecting our config, Bella Glow, and then we can select how many videos from these competitors we will be analyzing. In this case, we're saying 20 videos for every creator. From these last 20 videos, we will select top 3, and then we're also looking only at the past 30 days. So we are interested only in the most recent stuff, because we want something that is trending and viral right now. Because if it was viral like 6 months from now, maybe it's not that interesting, maybe the trend is already depleted. And then you're just pressing run pipeline, and then after, let's say, 15 minutes, you get your results here in this tab, all of those videos. And for every single video, you can first of all press it, open it up, check it out on TikTok, but this is not what interests us right now. We can see the analysis, what actually worked, why this video went viral, and then we have the concepts tailored specifically for us. So this was the quick overview of the system, how it looks like inside. Okay, now we are getting to the second part of the video, which is about how to set it up real quick. So first of all, we need to install Claude Code, and for that reason we'll be using Visual Studio Code. This is an environment that we're using to run Claude Code applications. So you will just go towards the link down below. Here you will find the whole guide step by step on what you need to do. And now I will just walk you through the process visually. So here's the site. You'll just press download depending on your system. Then you will have this app. You will open it up, install it properly, and then you will have an interface like that. And then you will download a folder also from description down below, save it to your computer, and then we will open it up through Visual Studio Code. So you will go somewhere in the left part right here. You'll press File, and then you will press Open Folder, and then you will select this folder that you just downloaded. So I already inside the folder, as you can see on the left side, we have subfolders and different files. So this is kind of the project that I'm sharing to you. And then we'll need to install Claude Code inside Visual Studio Code. So on the left side, you will press here on these cells and you will search for Claude Code. And you will basically open up this extension. You will press install. In my case, it's already installed in here. And I have to clarify, you need to be on paid plan, which is at least $19 per month, but this is completely worth it. And then you will need to log in to the Claude Code, and then you will be able to get started. And then you will need to open on the left side a file called .env. Here we are storing our API keys because we need external services to run this analysis and generate new concepts. We're using 3 APIs right here. The first one is Apify. So here it is, the website is called apify.com. You'll basically open this website, then create your account, and then you will be able to use your API key completely for free. So you will copy it, plug it in here. This is the platform that we use to actually scrape those videos. As you can see, we have TikTok Scraper, and this is overall the best platform that helps you to access any sort of social media data. And then the second API that we're using is Gemini. Basically right here, you will need to open this website, which is called Google AI Studio. And this is, we're using it to analyze what is happening inside each of those videos. So this is an AI that is actually like looking at the video visually and also from the audio perspective, analyzing all that, and then it is able to answer your questions, do the analysis of the hook, or generate new concept, whatever it is that you're asking for. And finally, of course, we're using Anthropic API to generate these textual concepts for new videos. So to create Anthropic API, you will simply just write, I think, Anthropic API, and you will go here to Claude Platform, sign in, and then you will create an account, add some billing, maybe top up $5, copy your API key, plug it in here, and then you will be good to go. And once you did all that, you will simply open up your terminal and write here npm run dev, and then the whole server will be running and you will be able to use the app. I run this command in another terminal right here. And as you can see, it is saying that now the website is available according to this link, and you're just going to your web browser, pasting this link, and bam, here's the whole application up and running right here. And I can run the pipeline, I can add new creators, whatever it is that I want. And honestly, you don't even need Claude Code to use it. Like, the system is ready, you can just run it, but with Claude Code, you can edit it if you want, maybe add some new features, maybe extend functionality according to your needs. So basically you'll just create new terminal, write Claude here, and then you will tell it, hey, change theme to light, for instance, and it will change the front end. But of course the changes might be so much more deeper, so much more related to the backend. And now finally let's move into part 3, which is about how to get even better results with this system. So here's a list of ideas that I prepared for you. So first of all, we want to provide even more context about your brand. So you can give Claude Code your website, your LinkedIn, your Instagram, and just ask it to scrape all this information. It might use Apify to do it, and then it will be more aware and more informed about who is your ICP, what are your products, what is your offer, what is your sales funnel. And then based on that, of course, you can think of it like as a digital strategist. Now it will be more aware about your brand perspective, and it will all go into the content strategy. Second, you can also explain what you can film and what you cannot film, because I am running my YouTube channel. I completely understand how this idea replication framework works. In many cases, other creators, they're doing some stuff that I am not able to replicate. Maybe they have 5 people in the video they're interacting with each other, but I'm filming alone. Obviously this idea will be not for me. So this is one of the constraints that I have naturally. Maybe I have only one specific location, which is my office right here. As you can see, this is just a very specific place. I cannot be, I don't know, like going out and filming with a car, let's say, or I'm not willing to do it. So depending on what is your case, it's really good to explain all that to Claude Code, to this system, so it's generating concepts only those ones that you can actually replicate and take ideas from. Because in many cases, if you're not specifying that, you will get ideas that you just feel like, that's not for me, I'm wasting my time, and I have to filter all that, it's not convenient, and at the end of the day I will say that screw the system, I'll do it all manually. And that's not what we want. We want to actually embrace the power of automation. Okay, then tip number 3, you can analyze comments from your competitors and find gaps. So for every single competitor that we've scraped right here, we can actually go in their TikTok, and for these viral videos, let's say, we open this one up, and then we can be reading the comments and seeing what is actually resonating with people and what is not resonating with people. And maybe there are some gaps that you can fill in. For instance, in this case, I guess it's a little bit less relevant, but if I go towards this account, this more about like beauty, cosmetics, all that stuff, I open this video, let's say, and then we have some specific questions like this one. Estee Lauder never fails yet, regardless, blah, blah, blah. So this person is mentioning specific brand name and probably like expressing some opinion or maybe asking questions, whatever it is. So you can be analyzing like thousands of these comments at scale, understanding how your niche looks like inside, in depth, like actually having this insider knowledge about your ICP, about your audience, what is in their minds, and then you can address it in your content strategy as well. And finally, the last tip is that you can analyze your own historical performance. So if you already have your TikTok account, then of course you can ask Claude Code to use API to scrape all of your videos and analyze what has worked, what did not work out, what are the different patterns, and what are the specifics of your audience. Because in my case, for instance, on YouTube, I have more than 17,000 audience, and I cannot be posting random stuff because YouTube algorithm will punish me. I cannot randomly make a video about fitness and how to like grow huge biceps. Obviously, it's not specifically for you. So that's why really, if you already have some track record, definitely plug it into the system. That was it. Check out the guide in the description down below. And if you're interested, here's another video about how to use Claude Code to solve different marketing tasks like content creation, cold outreach, and even ads creation. Check it out.